stock market is in free fall. It is August 14th at 9 in the morning. Economists expected wholesale prices to rise 0.2%, but they actually rose 0.9%. No surprise, of course. Anyone who goes to any store is seeing prices are getting more and more expensive. Do you have your list? You know what I'm talking about, right? You got your list? You got your investing recession wish list ready? The stocks that you would invest in the event that there was a humongous recession, you got that ready? I do. Well, this is from 2008. That's why it's laminated. But I do have my list. It's right here. No, you can't see it. It's mine. Everybody says, why don't you share your list so we can copy you? Well, my list is mine for a reason. I have stocks in there that maybe are a little bit more speculative. I have stocks that are right for me at my age and my portfolio that maybe aren't right for you. The whole point of my channel is that you learn what's best for you. By the way, I have a new policy. If you're not following me, I'm not responding to you. It's a way I set boundaries because a lot of people like to message me and treat me like I work for them for free, and I don't. I want you to think about companies that you know, use, and love. That's going to be the first step in your list making. Just because you like a company, by the way, doesn't mean it's going to be a great investment. You should run out and buy it. That's not what it means at all. It just is a starting point for you as an investor to say, hey, what are some brands that I love and that I use? For example, I love Kava. I eat there once a week, maybe. And maybe you know this about Kava and maybe you don't, but they just had their earnings report where they issued forward guidance for the rest of the year and they said it wasn't going to look good. So for me, Kava is a stock that's on my list. I added a little bit more yesterday, and if it has a really hard go of it over the next couple months, I might buy a little bit more. But that's just an example of what's right for me, and maybe you disagree. Maybe you wouldn't touch the stock. Once you have your wish list, then you have to start researching. Let me show you how to do that. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go right here, and you're going to click on the menu, which is right here, and all of this stuff is free, but what you really want is the fundamental analysis template. This is what the template looks like. There is a clickable link right here so you can fill it in, but this is it. And if you say, oh, dude, I don't know how to use that, there are videos down here that will help you. There's also some videos here that will help you. Recessions are tremendous wealth builders, but only if you take advantage of them. And by the way, hold on, I'm gonna put you on this little tripod here so I can use my hands. It doesn't mean don't invest right now. If you're the type of investor who's doing, a couple $100 every month into your 401k or your Roth IRA, you should really consider not stopping. Keep doing that. But also, start doing some research. Start putting some companies down that, man, if there was a big recession, there would be some great opportunities there. Because I think it's coming.